With the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung may finally deliver on what we've been requesting for the last 4 years, and that's only the beginning, as there are many S25 Ultra improvements to explore. Furthermore, the wireless power share speed of the S25 series is doubled when compared to the S24 lineup. Let's move on to the topic of color. Leaked SIM card trays for the Galaxy S25 series give us an idea of how these phones will actually seem. The array, which starts with the extreme, includes shades of black, blue, silver, and what appears to be gold. This is consistent with other leaks that alluded to titanium in shades of gray, blue, silver, and black. The gray and gold hues are identical, if this hands-on leak of the S25 Ultra is any guide. This is because the gray variant appears to have gold buttons and a matching SIM tray. It's interesting that Ice Universe stated that the S25 Ultra's primary color this time is blue, perhaps emulating the navy blue of the Z Fold 6. To be honest, this Ultra's color scheme is a tad drab and not that striking. With colors including black, green, purple, blue, and white, the S25 and S25 Plus are thankfully a little more varied. Good news for anyone thinking about buying the S25 or S25 Plus, Wi-Fi 7 compatibility is now officially available for both phones. The Galaxy S25 series now has this technology, but the S24 Ultra was the first Samsung handset to do so. This is significant because Wi-Fi 7 offers smoother performance, lower latency, and much quicker speeds, especially when you're using the same network with many devices. The S25 Ultra options are previously known. In order to have 16 GB of RAM, you'll need to choose the 512 GB version. This isn't a major issue, especially because Samsung frequently offers free storage upgrades. But what about the standard S25 and S25 Plus? The base S25 will regrettably continue to start at 128 GB, which seems antiquated for a flagship device until 2025. Fortunately, there are 256 and 512 GB of storage available with this S25 Plus Ferris battery. Now for the cameras, Samsung tested the 200-megapixel primary sensor on camera FV5 of the S25 Ultra. Here's the spoiler. There haven't been any significant improvements this year, at least not in terms of the primary sensor. It's basically the same as the one on the S24 Ultra. The ultra-wide lens receives a jump to 50 megapixels, the sole significant camera improvement. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.